Hey friends, if you wish to change sounds on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So search for system sounds in the search bar and go to change system sounds. Interestingly, the Windows default key might not be selected at many computers these days. It will be selected at no sounds, which means there will be no sound on the system. But if you select it at Windows default, it will use the default sounds. Now, if you wish to change any sound, simply click on that sound and then you can change the message sound from here. Okay. And then you can test that sound as well. Like this, click on the test button. And to change that sound, you can click on apply, it will be changed. Click on OK to exit the dialog box. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.